heard of Mission Literacy?
No, what's that?
It's our new district literacy initiative that our literacy team is sponsoring. We're going to start off piloting in our elementary schools, and once a month we'll select one elementary school to be the host site. Lots of fun. Literacy stations, Press Pizza sponsoring pizza. We'll have tech stations. Oh my gosh, so exciting.
This sounds like fun, but how are we going to know which elementary school is going to host the Literacy Night event?
Look, over there. Footprints leading to that box.
That box has names of all the elementary schools. Let's pull a name to see who hosts first.
Hold it, Scooby. Starks High School, pre-K through 5.
Wow!
See you there on October the 4th.
Which school was it? Stark! We're coming to you Tuesday, October 4th. Look out for the literacy machine.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!